As we want to monetize our SaaS, let's quickly talk about the pricing strategy that we want to build. So we want a subscription to be always required to get access to our SaaS. If our user does not have an active subscription, then they cannot access our app at all. There would be different plans that would give different features and benefits for their subscription. In addition, we would also support one-off purchases to buy additional credits if the user needs it. In the beginning, we saw that interacting with the application is consuming credits. So subscriptions will bring in some set number of credits per month. But once the credit runs out, then the user should be able to purchase additional credit as they see fit. So now let's go ahead and create the product in Freemius. So at first we will go to freemius.com and click on the Start Selling button on the top right corner of the screen. This will take us to the Freemius developer dashboard where it takes only 1 minute to register. Let's go ahead and register ourselves. So I'm here to sell SaaS. I'm going to click on the Continue button. Let's say my full name is Jen Doe. My email is jen@example.com. Let's have some password. Now I will create the account. As my account has been created, I can see that the developer dashboard took me straight to the new product creation form. So from here, I will start creating my product. My product type would be SaaS. Let's give a store title. Let's call it My SaaS. For the product itself, we are going to build an AI chat app. So let's do that. For the product icon, let's go ahead and use something for our SaaS. And let's click on the Get Started button. So product was successfully created in less than a minute. And now it's showing me what next steps I need to do. So the first thing is we need to create the plans of our products. So like we talked about, we want to create subscription plans and one special credit top-up plans. So I will go to the plan settings here and click on the Add Plan button and start by creating 3 plans specific to my SaaS. Let's name the first plan as Starter. To set the plan as subscription, all what I need to do is go to the pricing section here and put the monthly and annual price. So for the starter, let us have it as $4.99 for monthly and $47.88 for annual, giving some discount. Let's also add features to the plan over here that would show what features our users would get when they subscribe to this. To add a new feature, I will use this interface over here. Let's say the starter plan would give AI credits per month of 100. Now I will add this plus button. Next, let's say this also gives AI models as mini and nano only. And another feature where for support, we will do community only. And with this plan is properly configured with the entitlements our users will get and also the subscription pricing. Similarly, let us create 2 more subscription plans. One would be the professional plan. I'll set the subscription pricing like before. So for the monthly, I'm going with $12.99. For the annual, I'm going with $131.88. And as for the features, let's enable all of the features. For AI credits per month, let's go with 200. For AI model, let's do this standard. Let's say standard models. For support, let's say we are going with email support. Similarly, we'll create another plan. Let's call it business. It will have a monthly pricing of $24.99 and yearly as 239.88. Again, we'll give it all of the features, and let's have AI credits per month at 500, AI models, all support, let's call it priority. Now with this, our subscription plans are now configured. So we can go back to the plans here and start configuring the credits top-up plan. Now the credits top-up plan is going to be a bit special, but we will start by creating it like any other plans. So I will call it credit top-up, create new. And now instead of configuring the pricing in the billing cycle area here, what I will do is I will use the bulk pricing. So I will go to add bulk and click on 1000 units and set an one-off price of $8. Now do notice that the user interface is showing me units. I do want it to show credits, and that's also something I want my users to see. For that, I need to go to the settings of the product here. Under settings, we can see we have a selling unit label here. So instead of saying the generic unit, we will rename it to credit. Now if I update, the system will now show me that I am selling credits when the checkout is opened for the bulk credit top-up plan. Now I will go back to plans, credit top-up, and finish creating the bulk pricing. For 1000, I have set the pricing at $8. For 5000, let's set it at 30, and let's create another one of 10,000 credits. For that, I can click the custom credits button, enter the number of credits here, and set the one-off price to something, let's say 50. And click the create button, and now this pricing is created. Now how this reflects in the checkout or how this reflects in the application itself will become clear in a moment. One other thing we need to do is go to plans, and under customization, we need to skip the confirmation dialog after purchase. Now this will make our integration with our SaaS a bit smoother. You can see that we have other options here from where you can customize the checkout. So do give them a look and modify the settings which make sense to you. So this now concludes setting up the pricing under Freemius Developer Dashboard. And now we are ready to take this pricing and integrate it into our SaaS itself. So see you in the next video.